Hi, everybody. Well, Dr. Brooke Goldner just posted on Facebook that it was my 2-year anniversary of being psoriasis-free and psoriatic arthritis-free. And so I just wanted to show you, because people were saying, are you still drinking 2 or 3 green smoothies a day? And it is yes. The answer is yes. So here are my flax seeds. I take a half cup, that's 2 1/4 cups here, put them in there, grind them fresh, and then I dump the entire contents of one or both of these or whatever's left over, and then I just use 2 or 3 frozen bananas depending how big they are, and then I replace them with the ones that are quickly going bad on the counter, and they're all here in the Vitamix. And you can see I have 2. This is an older one that I use. Sometimes it's a little bit larger, so I use it for bigger servings. And then that's got, I think, the 64 ounce and this, or let me see here, because it's basically, 64 ounces measured here, but you could go 80 ounces if you want to push your limit. Not that I know anybody who would do that. And then this one is the 48 ounce one. But I like this one because it is, and I've already blended it a little bit, as you can see. It is the Quiet One, the latest one by Vitamix, and we'll just blend it up a little. I put it on the number 6 serving here. Let's move it around so you can see. And you got a glimpse there of how quiet it really is. That cover does make the difference. And if you're up close and personal with your Vitamix or whatever, high-powered blender, Blendtec makes one too, but I like this one better just because it's Vitamix, right? But they're all good. They're all good. Well, Blendtec and Vitamix. So anyway, I did just want to mainly show you that, yes, I am still drinking my green smoothies every single day. And I have these fun little jars that you can get for cheap, and I'll fill those up. I probably will just drink a regular 16-ounce glass tonight, maybe fill it up twice, and then use these for tomorrow, depending how much I have left over. So out of the container we go, and it's just a beautiful bright green. I said to somebody today, if it hadn't been for Dr. Goldner's work and my drinking 2 or 3 of these smoothies a day when I first got diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis, I'd probably be in a wheelchair today. So, pretty amazing that this stuff, hyper-nourishment, as she said, it's so important. So, I let it dribble to the very last drop, and then I've been known, of course, because you hate to waste such good nutrients, right? So I'll dive in here and get my little spatula, if I can find it, if it's not in the dishwasher, which it may be, because I'm always using it, and it probably is, so we'll just use an ordinary spatula. Yeah, so you get to lick the bowl, right? Okay, and I'm gonna be really tacky and drink it right out, okay? Well, it's a little slow, but yeah, nobody's looking. And this is just so fun, really. To be able to have recovered the way I have, it's a small price to pay. And the greens are really different. I included kale and spinach, and I've had these in the fridge probably a little bit longer than I should, maybe 3 or 4 days. So they get to be a little bit more bitter than if you get them fresh sometimes. But, you can sweeten them up, and so what? All right, well, I just wanted to share that with you just to let you know that, yes, I'm doing my smoothies 2 or 3 times a day, and I'll probably drink all of this tomorrow at different times. May even, get a few little drips from the lid if I'm really patient. Because, I just hate to waste this stuff. I won't say that it's expensive, but you know, you just like to use it all. So you could sprinkle cinnamon, you could sprinkle nutmeg, you know, as Dr. Goldner says, you know, do what you need to do to get it to go down. I mean, I wouldn't put sugar on it, but I could have used a third banana in this and it probably would have masked the taste. The other thing is the bitterness. The other thing you can add is a pear. That will help neutralize any bitterness you might experience with kale specifically. But I use baby kale, so it makes a little bit of a difference too. All right, hope that's helpful. And if you like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Gotta run.